It is a public health crisis that keeps getting worse. The Oregon Health Authority released new data today showing the dramatic increase in drug overdoses, mostly due to fentanyl.
Fentanyl is a synthetic opiate that's being used to create fake prescription painkillers. And health experts say it only takes a dose the size of a grain of rice to be deadly. Our Adrian Thomas is live at the Portland OHA building tonight with more on the alarming data. Adrian?
Well, Pete and Nora, in that OHA report, it was found that from 2019 to 2021, drug overdose deaths in Oregon more than doubled, and fentanyl-related overdose deaths rose by more than 600%. Tonight, a woman who lost her son to fentanyl speaks to us again to raise awareness. We first spoke to Oregon City resident Michelle Stroh several months ago when she shared her story about her son Keaton, who died after unknowingly taking a fentanyl-laced Oxycontin pill. Since then, she has worked to raise awareness about the dangers of fentanyl in her community.
We know that summer is notorious for spikes in drug experimentation or drug use, but seeing the hard numbers come out from OHA today was absolutely heartbreaking.
The most recent OHA report on fentanyl has found that in 2021, a third of Oregon counties saw more people die from accidental fentanyl overdoses than any other drug. For Michelle Stroh, her message is it's vital for parents and their kids to be on the same page about the dangers of fentanyl and how accidental overdoses can happen to anyone.
As a mom who found her son dead, who was so cold and gone, that you have to have that hard conversation.
Since her son's death, Michelle has worked to have that conversation in the local school district. She pushed for Oregon City to have Narcan or naloxone on all its campuses. Naloxone is a drug that can be used to revive someone who has overdosed. Despite this major step in schools, Michelle feels more needs to be done to warn young people on the dangers of fentanyl.
I can sit back and look at the hard numbers from OHA. You're still dealing with these kids that are saying, that's not going to happen to me.
And in that report by OHA, it was found that in that time period of 2019 to 2021, more than almost half, of fentanyl pills seized by authorities contained lethal amounts. So this is a problem that we're, of course, going to keep following and bring you the latest as the public health data continues to be released. Live in Portland, Adrian Thomas, Fox 12 Oregon.